Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the update on RNDR. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of RNDR has formed another quite long-term down channel on a 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it is still moving very close to the resistance of this quite long-term down channel. But if it since after the month of March 2024, it is moving inside this channel. We had a rejection here, bounce here, and here we had a fake out, and the price and re-entered the channel. And again, the price and re-enter. After entering the channel, the price and was bounced very well from the support of the channel. We got rejection here, and once again, it is rejected by the resistance. And now, if this time the price and will hit the support of the channel, then it can hit the support somewhere here, approximately at $1.30. But before that, we have so many support levels, like we have this key support zone that starts from $3.40 and goes to $2.95. That has been previously acting as a support zone here, support on here, resistance on here, resistance on here, resistance here, and support on here in the month of December 2021 as well. And again, it can work as strong support for the price line. In fact, it is working as a strong support for the price line for the past several weeks. And in today's video, I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel, the smaller down channel. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 8th of August 2025. And so far, this signal has produced almost 24% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 8th of August 2025. And that was a bullish AB equal to CD move that render completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 24% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of render. And this is the daily time frame chart, and this is the weekly time frame chart, by the way. Here you can see that previously we broke out this quite long-term down channel. After the breakout, we had a very powerful rally, and from this low to this high, it was overall 4,950%, almost a 5,000% rally, and the price found a very strong rejection zone here with the resistance zone from $12.50 to $13.85. We got rejection here and almost had another rejection. Yes, here we got another rejection. In this is the most recent rejection. And now, recently, the price line has broken out this smaller down channel, and it is moving inside this bigger down channel. The technical target for the breakout from the smaller down channel and the bigger down channel is at almost at the same level. That is at this resistance zone. Therefore, now after the breakout from this channel, I'm expecting that soon we may also break out the bigger resistance of the bigger down channel as well, and soon we may see another attempt for the breakout from this resistance zone. That starts from $12.50 and goes to $3.85. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.